Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to use YouTube TV in 2024, a complete beginner's guide. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV or tv.youtube.com, and from here you can click on try it for free so that you can start the free trial, or you can go down right here and then you can see the plans and you can select which one you would like to have. And yeah, it depends on what you want. And after that, you want to click on try it for free, and once you are signed in, you would be prompted right here. So from here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna verify our area. So you can click on the profile on the top right of your screen, click on that, and then you want to click on settings right here. So if you haven't verified your area yet in your setting up your account after subscribing, then you can click here on the area at the left side right here and home area right here. So you want to make sure that your home area is correct right here, because this is very essential, because this would be the deciding factor on which channels would be available for you, so depending on your home area. And then you can also select your current playback area, so you can just set this the same as the home area, or if you're not currently in your home area, then you can set this into other place that you are currently in. And yeah, that is very important right here. Make sure that this is correct. And then your live guide right here. So this is also very important because you would be able to see your priority channels right here. So for example, you don't want to miss the BBC America, ESPN, Disney Junior, then you can just set it right here on your top channels right here. So if you don't see your top channels right here, then you can find it right here. So for example, your top channel would be Disney XD. Then you can click on this button right here so that it would be prompted or moved into the top channels. As you can see, I have it right here. And then from the top channels, you can rearrange your channels on which one is the most important. So if you put this on the top, this would be the most important, and this would be the first channel that will be recommended to you by YouTube TV. And then you can see it by going back into YouTube TV, going into live right here. And then from here, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna make sure that our sort right here is set into custom so that it would be arranged according to our live guide. And then the next thing is, now we're gonna play right here. We're gonna play something right here, and let's just mute this for the sake of copyright. And then from here, you have your basic controls. You have your pause, forward right here buttons, and then you can add them to a library by clicking on this one. And this is also how you can record your favorite shows. And then from here, you have your subtitles, the CC icon, your volume, and then your settings right here. You can set up the speed, subtitles, quality, audio track, and so on. So this is basically it on the complete guide for beginners on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching.